Once upon a time, in a small enchanted forest, there lived a magpie named Maggie. Maggie was not an ordinary magpie. She had a shimmering, rainbow-colored tail that sparkled in the sunlight. Every morning, Maggie would fly to the nearby river and splash in the water, singing a beautiful melody that echoed through the forest. Her songs were so enchanting that they could make even the grumpiest of creatures feel cheerful. One sunny day, Maggie discovered a hidden treasure chest at the bottom of the river. She was filled with excitement and curiosity. She flew down, opened the chest, and found it filled with shiny trinkets and golden coins. But as she looked closer, she realized that the treasure was not what made her heart joyful. It was the feeling of discovery and the thrill of adventure that brought her true happiness. From that day on, Maggie decided to share her treasure with her forest friends. She invited them all to a grand celebration, singing and dancing the night away. They played games, shared stories, and feasted on delicious fruits and nuts. The forest was filled with laughter and joy, and Maggie felt a warmth in her heart that no golden coin could buy. She realized that the real treasure was the love and friendship she shared with her friends. Every day, Maggie continued to explore the forest, finding new adventures and sharing her treasure of love and friendship with everyone she met. And the forest was a happier, more magical place because of her. The end.